Hey fams, welcome back to my channel. So, how are you guys? I hope you guys are doing well. I am home. It's a Monday and I am off, you guys. And I figured today I'm just gonna kind of take you along with me throughout the day as I get some things done because I have a lot that I am doing, a lot of changes from the last time that you guys, from the last time I spoke with you guys. A lot has taken place, and I am actually in my room that it's been a plethora of different rooms. It's been an office space, a guest room, pantries, twice, so many different space. But I am in this room and it sounds a little bit echoey because it's pretty much empty. I just have one thing in there. Don't mind the mess. Like I said, we're getting things done. So we are changing some things again. Okay, so y'all know that I've been working on this good old dining room, right? And I was almost to the completion when the Lord has completely changed the trajectory of my entire life. So guys, I am reopening my daycare. This has been much prayers and just really casting my cares on God and really requesting and praying and talking and asking and seeking. And He has just dropped it in my spirit time and time and time again to really reopen this daycare. I'm not going to go into details about it. And yeah, that's what it is. So we are completely reconfiguring our space, our home, completely reconfiguring our home to get this daycare in here. I already started the process of starting it. I am in the application process and the licensing processing. My hair is a hotmess.com. Don't pay it no attention. It's about to get done. But like I said, so we are getting this daycare restarted. And so I'm shifting rooms. So the room that is my dining room now is now going to be the daycare room. And the room that was my husband's office space is now going to be the new dining room. So my office space that was the basement is now going to be my husband's office space. And my little desk and computer is going to be in the daycare room. I hope that made sense for you guys. But I'm going to take you guys around and show y'all. So right now I am in what is to be the new dining space. And I'm really excited about it. It's a little bit smaller than our dining room now that we have. It's a little bit smaller, but it can work. We're going to try to bring the table in here and see if it fits. If it doesn't fit the size that it is now, we're just going to take the leaf out and it will fit then. We have this little table situation here that we're going to get rid of. We're taking that out and all the modems and stuff is going to get transferred into the dining room that we have now. It's going to be transferred over there because I'm going to need that anyway for my learning and, you know, printing and all the things. So it's going to be over there. Sorry for all the shaking. It's going to be over there and this is now going to be the dining space. So we're going to bring the dining room table and the black china cabinet over to this space. I'm also going to be doing the gallery wall on the walls and yeah, so I love the wallpaper that is on here. Y'all remember me putting up this wallpaper. So that is going to stay there. And this is basically going to be the color choices for this space. I am getting ready to paint this wall. It's absolutely atrocious. I had shelving and all type of things over there. So I'm getting ready to paint this wall. And I'm thinking now that I'm wondering if I should paint the entire wall the color that I'm choosing. Because I'm thinking about painting the wall black. But then again, I'm like, maybe I should paint it like this deep charcoal color. So I'm thinking. So either way, the room is getting painted today. So that's what I'm going to be taking you along with me today to do that. And then I kind of want to show y'all the hotmess.com. That is my house right now. So let me show y'all. The lens are a little bit blurry, you guys, and I'm trying to, I don't know why it's so blurry. My phone fell and broke, and I'm thinking that is the problem, but just bear with me. I'm a hot mess today, but just bear with me. We're gonna get it done. So anyway, this is my kitchen, and this is all the stuff that came out of one of the hutch that I'm now putting on Facebook Marketplace. And this is all the things that came out of it. I'm trying to declutter. So this is my dining room. This is my dining room, and I already bought my desk and chair and computer up. So this is going to be like my little teacher section over here. That's where that is. As you can see, it's all discombobulated. And then this is my dining room table, you guys. It's a hot mess. I did not do a tour of the dining room. I probably should have, but I didn't think that I needed to do a tour because it wasn't finished anyway. And you guys pretty much have seen pretty much everything. So I am just going to do a tour of the new space once it's all said and done. But I'm just going to try to kind of show you guys what the space is looking like right now. I had to take down the wallpaper from here because it just kept peeling off. It just came all the way down. And that is the dining room. That's what the space is looking like right now. And then I have just everything kind of just everywhere. I have everything just everywhere. This is where the kids are going to come in. So this is my foyer. The kids are going to come in and they're going to be hanging their jackets here. Remember, I had this here before. I was changing my style. I'm now going back to my farmhouse, modern farmhouse. So now I kind of want the daycare to be in keeping with the style of my home. So this is where they're going to be putting their shoes and hanging all of their jackets. So they're going to be doing that. And then, like I said, that's the way the dining room is looking now because we're getting ready to transfer it over to the other space. And I'm actually kind of glad because now this refrigerator is not really such a big problem for me, because I'm going to use this refrigerator for the daycare and then our other refrigerator for our main use. So this is where it's going to be. And I'm also going to be taking you guys along with me as I build this daycare from scratch and decorate the room and put it all together. So definitely going to be doing that, and I'm so excited. And then this is my big mirror, which is going to now go upstairs in my bedroom, which I'm super excited about. And this piece right here, let me see if I can show you the front. So that piece right there is going to now go upstairs, and it's going to be in the upstairs hallway. And then you guys saw the house tour, the summer house tour. I changed some things from that video. I did that video yesterday and I changed it last night. So I kind of removed some things from out of the living room because my family was like, Ma, it's kind of a lot of stuff in here. So now this is here. It used to be right here. So it's here now, and then this is back there. It was right here. So that's what it's looking like, and that's Caleb Easy. Yeah, so we are trying to get a lot done. My house is a hotmess.com, and I just hope that you guys would just, stick around with me as I get stuff done. So let's go ahead and start getting this room prepped and painted and ready for the new dining room space.
Photograph of us. now closed. Doesn't seem so long ago. Now I'm just sitting here bored at home. And it really got me thinking of the times we took off on the road. I can't remember where we headed that night. We were cruising around town in Memphis, running the lights. I just know how it felt. I won't forget that. Windows down and open top. But we were clever not to take it too far, though it's hard not getting tempted. Calling you up to see how you've been, 'cause don't I miss you and all those things we did back then. Way back then. It's funny how times roll by. Is it 12 years since last time? Where'd you go? What's the score? Did you find what you were looking for? I never see you anymore. I can't remember what we did that day. We were blowing off steam in Paris, but I wanted to stay 'cause I know how it felt when we raised hell.
Okay, you guys, so far it's going well. I had to go through 3 different paint colors to get to the color that I really wanted. And it's more of a warmer gray. It's kind of, I pulled out the warmer tone in the warmer gray tone in this wallpaper, which I wasn't really even trying to do that. I just mixed it because at first I was like, oh, let me do like the darker gray. I didn't like it because I felt like it made the room just a little bit smaller. So then I have like this creamy white color. So I said, let me just do that one instead. It'll give a warmer feel on the walls, but it came off yellow to me. And I think it's because the way the room is situated in the back, like the lighting and the green from the grass, it kind of was clashing with that. So it made it look extremely yellow on the wall. So I mixed the first batch, which was the charcoal gray, and I mixed it together with some white and with that creamy white color that came off as yellow, and I got this color. It's more of like, it's a grayish. So it's more of a grayish beige. So it's kind of like, it's warmer. It's a lot warmer. And I'm pretty sure as it dries darker, it's going to dry. You're going to see a lot more of that grayish color coming forth. But I like the way that it looks. It kind of gives the room contrast. And I'm totally feeling it. So I am going to let this dry. And then I'm going to go ahead and give it a second coat. And then I'm going to go ahead and, you know, touch up around corners and all the molding and trims and stuff. So that is what is happening right now. And y'all, I am tired. So much has happened in between all this painting. I went, picked up my daughter from school, did laundry and all that. So I'm just ready to get this whole project over and done with because I'm tired. A girl is tired. So let's go ahead and continue on with the painting.